Hello guys, this is the product here in Cebu City, to one of the city also in Cebu, that's Karkar. So this is the product. This is fish cracker, and this is only 5 pesos. Some will have this 6 pesos, and this is 5 pesos also. Yung mga small ito, small pack. Merong mga laki dito. This is 10 pesos. This is maanghang. This is not maanghang. So this is so crunchy. This is so crunchy. This is crunchy. Sa Cebu City, this is the product of Cebu City. The cheapest chicharon, pangmasa na chicharon. Meron din siya lang mga mahal na chicharon. There. So crunchy. Masarap sa coke na malamig. Pero itong coffee is masarap sa shakoy at donut. But I don't have donut. I don't have shakoy. This one only, inaano ko lang pinakita sa inyo yung product sa Cebu. Dami mga produkto sa Cebu na masarap. And this is fish cracker. We'll try this one. It's also crunchy. This is also crunchy. Here's my so this is the fish cracker. It's also crunchy. Only in Cebu City. Butter, come here. This is my coffee. Okay magwaps, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung produkto dito sa Cebu, there in Karkar City. So crunchy at mura lang. Meron din silang mahal na chicharon, yung may unod. Masarap. Pero ito ay pamasa. Masa man tayo di. Ito na lang binili natin. O, diba? Okay, God bless all. Take care.